Good morning. I am welcoming back you in the course EG1308 Matrix Algebra through SciLab. And in the last lecture, I have given you the exercise to find out the command to remove the second and third row in one command of this matrix D. So, second and third row or column, whatever you want to remove. Okay. So, what should be the command? So D of, if you want to remove the column, then colon, comma, for example, second to fourth, or to second to fourth columns you want to remove. So is equals to empty matrix. Just press enter and see second, third and fourth columns are removed, and just first and fifth columns are now stored as D. Now if you want to remove rows similarly, then let me again call D matrix, and now I want to remove rows. So D of, for example, third to fifth rows, comma, colon is empty. So it will now just remove third to fifth rows and just left with this. Okay. So this is a way to remove row column of matrix. Similarly, let me introduce a matrix as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 7, 8, 9, and B be the identity matrix of order 3 by 3. And I want to write these entries here, means I want to write this 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1 columns here. So you can do is you want to add columns, so colon, comma, up to third row, third column, this matrix. So from fourth column to, if this is the fourth column, this will be the fifth column, and this will be the sixth column, to 6 column of your matrix A are from the matrix B. Okay, just press the enter and see. This is stored as fourth column of matrix, this is stored as fifth column of matrix, and this is stored as sixth column of matrix. Now your matrix A is this way. Okay, now let me call again A, B also, and just I want to add this one row or column of this matrix. Let me say A, fourth column is B's second column. So command is command will be in this format. Okay. Okay. Let me do one thing, that A is this, again B is this, and instead of this fourth, I am writing here fifth and pressing enter. See, automatically the empty column will be considered as 0, because A was having just 3 columns and you have introduced this as a fifth column. So this fourth column is empty, so automatically it will be stored as 0. Let me again do the same, so you can recall, I mean you can check that what happens. For example, instead of 5 I am writing 10. See, all these 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th column are automatically considered as 0. Okay. So this is a way to use this command. Similarly, you can do the things for rows also. Let me call A, B this, B this again, and I, instead of adding these two rows or columns, I am doing this with instead of doing this with column, I am doing with the rows. So for example, from 4th to 6th column I want to introduce as B. So 4th to 6th rows are from B, C. Okay, now see, if my A is this and instead of this B is my 2 by 2 matrix, and I apply this same operation, it will give me this submatrix is incorrectly defined, so you cannot perform this way. Okay, one more thing, that again my A is this, and if I want to add the 4 means A44, that is in the entry of 4th row and 4th column, if I apply this, it will say that it is invalid index. But if I write this as, for example, 5, what it will perform is automatically consider the all other entries 0. Okay, so this is a way to just perform this type of operations. So make a practice of this. Whatever query you are getting, tell me in either Telegram or in Moodle. So do the practice of this and stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.